Hey guys, how are you all doing? I have a fun little math question today. It looks easy at first, but watch out. Let's solve it nice and slow. What's the answer to this math? Complete it in 20 seconds, and your math is really cool. Try solving this problem now. This is a calculation problem using square roots. The square root of a negative number, squared, is always a positive number. This is because the square root of any number squared equals the absolute value of that number. Therefore, you calculate each square root first, and then perform addition or subtraction. Let's try one more problem of the same type. Thanks for watching. See you next video.